In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Updraftplus, a popular and powerful WordPress backup plugin. One of the most critical aspects of managing a website is ensuring you have reliable backups. Whether it's due to unexpected data loss, a malware attack, or simply human error, having a backup can save you lots of headaches. So, let's dive into setting up Updraftplus for your WordPress site. First, you need to access the Updraftplus settings. From your WordPress admin dashboard, locate the sidebar. Here, you'll find the Settings option. Hover over it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Select Updraftplus Backups from this menu. This will take you directly to the Updraftplus settings page, where we'll do most of the configuration. Once you're here, you'll notice several tabs at the top of the page. These include Backup, Restore, Settings, and a few others. For now, focus your attention on the Settings tab. This is where we will configure the essential features needed for an effective backup system. Within the Settings tab, one crucial area to consider is remote storage. While this step is optional, it's highly recommended. Having your backups stored remotely adds an extra layer of security, protecting your site data from on-site server issues. Locate the Remote Storage, or choose your remote storage section within the Settings tab. This is where you'll select a storage provider for your backup files. Updraftplus offers various storage options you can choose from, such as Dropbox, Google Drive, Amazon S3, and others. So select the one that best suits your needs. Once you've chosen a storage provider, the next step is to authenticate or connect your account with Updraftplus. Each provider will have a slightly different procedure, but generally, you'll click on a link or button that says something like Authenticate with Dropbox or Connect to Google Drive. Follow the prompts to permit Updraftplus to send backups to your selected remote storage. This process typically involves logging into the storage service and granting the necessary permissions for Updraftplus to access your account. Once connected, Updraftplus can automatically transfer your site backups to your remote storage, giving you peace of mind knowing your data is safely secured off-site. By following these steps, you're well on your way to having a comprehensive backup strategy in place for your WordPress site using Updraftplus. Remember, regular backups are not just a convenience, they're a necessity. With your server location chosen and your account authenticated, Updraftplus will take care of the rest, allowing you to focus on what truly matters: creating and maintaining a successful website. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our next video for more tips on optimizing your WordPress site.